Hey friends, if you wish to view all installed drivers on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's not very difficult. Here's what you have to do. There is a command which is driver query space forward slash v. We don't need it, but this is the official method, so I'll show you first. Copy it, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, and click on run as administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. In a while, it will show you all the data and you have to bring it to full screen and you will be able to scroll and check all the details here, okay, like the volume driver, the Microsoft this driver. But if you want a better view, simply open the device manager, okay, search for it and open it, and then click on view and select show hidden devices. All drivers that are installed on the system will be visible here, and that too sorted out so that you can check them easily, like you can check the camera drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.